Morning, everyone. I'm going to go to the Palmdale Sheriffs car show today for the Palmdale boosters, and I think we're going to have a good day, and I'm going to show you some pretty cool stuff there. So without further ado, let's jump in the Merc and go take a ride. See you in a little bit. All right, everyone, we're out here in Palmdale on the east side with the Sheriff's Boosters Club. We're going to be looking at this car show here that I came to and show you guys some pretty cool stuff here. Start out with a nice early Chevy here. There's something for everybody here today, that's for sure. Pretty cool pickup. And you got the quintessential Deuce Coupe right here. Look at this brute. Wow, looks like two 348 Chevys. Wow. What a beast that is, huh? Really pretty cool too. Got some very nice scooters here today. Something you don't see very often. Cool old school Benz. Another nice early Chevy pickup. Mini trucks are starting to come back. This is a cool one. This is a cool example of a 90s mini truck. Very nice. There's another one you don't see very often. That's a 90s style truck. Lots of work on this one. Like the engraving on the exhaust right here. It's pretty cool. Paint on this is stunning. Unbelievable. Early Chevy and being built. This one's a sleeper truck right here. Pretty cool looking. So you look under the hood, playing around here at all. Look at that. Yeah. Nice old school Chevelle. Then we come up to this beautiful 1940 Chevy convertible. Look at this car. Goodness gracious. Black as black gets. Just stunning. Beautifully done. It's on air. He's got a 350 under the hood. Beautiful, beautiful. Got a Subi sitting here. Of course, you guys know me. There we have it. The sled's out. Nice old school Camaro. Firebird. Got the newer style vet with the wild doors on it. There's another friend of mine, 1940 Cadillac. Rarely see these cars. Really, really cool. This is a great example too. Quintessential 62. And then we've got this. Look at this thing. The paint on this is absolutely stunning. It's Coyote powered. It's got a nice motor in it. This guy did a beautiful job on this car. Another new vet. The lowrider crew is out here, and they've got some beautiful examples too. The paint on some of these cars is absolutely stunning. This is kind of a rare one. 58, double headlights. Pretty rare to see that. Kind of neat. And this is a pretty special car right here. Don't see too many of these at all. This one's got the shaker. Yeah, it's got the big boy motor in it. And we got the Sheriffs with the Bearcat. Their search and rescue stuff. Monte Carlo. Look at that. Very nice. Square body. Nice Z28. And a goat. Look at the GTO. Beautiful, man. Beautiful Bel Air right here. Very nice, very nicely done. Super clean. Like I said, there's something for everybody here today. Let's take a walk down this aisle. There's stuff you don't see there. A couple of old school Toyotas. Look at that. Look at these. These things are nice. Mustang over here. Cruise down here to see some beautiful lowriders. Look at the paint on this, man. I know you can see the sparkle on that. It's unbelievable. These guys got some money in these suspension systems, and it shows. It's very beautifully done. That town car is really cool. This is a nice one. Everything underneath it's chrome. Part of the Stylistics Club. Nice early Mustang. Look at that. That's cool too. Super clean. Opar, baby. Oh, some of my buddies with muscle cars. Under the hood of that bad boy. Sleepers. Got some sleeper cars here. Those guys do roll, that's for sure. There we go. Big block. Yeah. It's a nasty Impala. Nasty nice.
Good luck on your sir. Yes, sir. You too, man.
Mustang. There's my buddy Chevelle right here. And you don't see too many killer olds like this. This thing's beautiful. The paint's really neat. I love the color. Yeah, there's something for everybody here today. Look at this. Mino El Camino. Look at that.
Right.
Nice 48 bomb right here. Keeps it up higher style so it's easier to drive. He likes it up that high. It's pretty cool. This is something that you'd never see. A Scout 800. Except this is a sleeper truck. I'll show you why. Wait till you see what's under the hood of this brute. Look how beautifully this thing looks really cool, doesn't it? Yeah, look at this. King shocks and a nice, nasty V8. Yeah, man, this thing's bad to the bone right here. This thing's bad to the bone. Look at that. Beautiful, beautifully done. Beautiful color growth. Another beautiful Chevelle. Look at this 57 four-door, super clean, done very nicely. Flipper hubcaps, all the good stuff. Skinnies in the front, pizza cutters out in the front, and fatties in the back. That's nice. Another 57. Yeah, man, old school Kragers. Don't get much better than that. Almost forgot. Gotta make sure we see this. It's the General Lee It's the General freaking Lee. Look at that. And Sheriff Buford is going to chase him down. These two guys cruise around all the time and chase each other. That's awesome. Police car's a full working police car with a light bar and everything. He always chases this guy down. It's great. Beautiful 56. Got another Chevelle over here. Beautiful cars. And another nasty little Mopar Barracuda. Pretty cool. Don't see these very often either. This is a pretty clean car. Finally, get the last of the cars here. We got a Chevelle. Pretty clean, super clean. That'll be about it for today. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. I think I'm gonna hit another show on the way home and I'll put that in the video too. Well, everyone, here's the icing on the cake for the Palmdale Sheriffs Boosters car show today. I got first place in the bomb category because they didn't have a custom category. So they put me in the bomb category. That was pretty cool. Well, there you have it. See you guys next time at the next show.